Hello and welcome to Quiz Me Animals edition. This week's quiz is based on all things animals. There will be 40 questions, with one available point per question, so the maximum total is 40 points. You will get around 10 seconds per question, and the answers will be revealed at the end of each round. If you want to keep track of your score, now is the time to grab a pen and paper. Let's have a look at the rounds you will be playing today. You will have 4 rounds for your animals quiz. The first round is general knowledge, round 2 is who lives here. The third round will be what's my baby called? And the fourth and final round will be the picture round. Good luck, let's get into round 1. Round 1 is your general knowledge round. There will be 10 questions with a total of 10 points available for this round. Here we go. Question 1. Which reptile can detach its tail to escape predators? Which sea creature has 3 hearts? Which animal's fingerprints are almost identical to humans? What is the only mammal covered in scales? Which bird has the largest wingspan of any living bird? Which animal's tongue is longer than its body? Which insect can lift up to 50 times its own body weight? Which animal has the highest blood pressure of any creature? What is the loudest animal on Earth? Which of the cat species cannot fully retract its claws? Let's take a look at the answers for round 1. The answer to question 1 is lizards. It's an octopus that has 3 hearts. It's a koala bear. The only mammal covered in scales is a pangolin. An albatross has the largest wingspan. The answer is a chameleon. The answer to question 7 is an ant. The animal with the highest blood pressure is a giraffe. The loudest animal is a sperm whale. And the answer to question 10 is a cheetah. Moving on to round 2, we have who lives here. You will see 10 animal homes and you have to guess what type of animal lives in it. 10 points available in this round. Question 1. What type of animal lives in a stable? Question 2. What type of animal lives in a dray? Question 3. What type of animal lives in a holt? Question 4. What type of animal lives in a co-op? Question 5. What type of animal lives in a lodge? Question 6. What type of animal lives in a roost? Question 7. What type of animal lives in an eyrie? Question 8. What type of animal lives in an apiary? Question 9. What type of animal lives in a set? Question 10. What type of animal lives in a lair? You could have said either a horse or a donkey. The answer to question 2 is a squirrel. It's an otter that lives in a holt. You could have said either a chicken, turkey, duck, etc. The answer to question 5 is a beaver. The animal that lives in a roost is a bat. Any bird of prey lives in an eyrie, eagle, hawk, falcon, etc. The answer to this one is bees. You would find badgers living in a set. And the answer to question 10 is a wolf. Round 3 is the picture round. There will be 10 images, with a total of 10 points available for the round. The first 5 images will be of an animal, and you need to give the species. The next 5 images will be a zoomed-in picture of an animal. Can you work out what animal it is? Good luck. Can you name this animal? Do you recognize this animal? What's the name of this animal? Do you recognize this creature? What is this animal called? Which animal's ear is this? Can you tell which animal has been zoomed in on here? What animal is pictured here? Can you work out what animal this is? Which animal's feet are these? How well do you think you did? Let's have a look at the answers for the picture round. The first image was a bush baby. Did you get it? It's an axolotl. Did you get it right? It's an alpaca. The answer is a buffalo. Did you know it? It's a mongoose. Could you work it out? It's a hippopotamus. Could you tell by the tail? It's a pig. Of course, it's a dolphin. Did you guess right? It's a hedgehog. And the answer to number 10 is a penguin. And now on to the fourth and final round, which is What's My Baby Called? There will be 10 different animals. All you have to do is give the name of the young. Here we go. What is the name for a baby deer? Do you know what a baby warthog is called? Can you give the name for a baby kangaroo? Do you know the name of a baby goat? What is the name for a baby swan? Do you know what the name is for a baby hedgehog? Have you ever seen a baby platypus? Do you know the name for one? What is the name for a baby dolphin? Can you guess the name of a baby chinchilla? And the final question for this quiz, what is the name for a baby tortoise? Did you answer all the questions? Let's take a look at the answers for round 4. The answer to question 1 is a fawn. A baby warthog is called a piglet. Of course, it's a joey. The answer is a billy or a kid. You get a point for either of these. Did you get it? It's a cygnet. A baby hedgehog is called a hoglet. Did you know this? It's a puggle. The answer to question 8 is a calf. A baby chinchilla is called a kit. And finally, the name of a baby tortoise is a hatchling. Thanks for playing our Disney quiz. We hope you enjoyed it. Leave your score in the comments below, and let us know what other quizzes you would like to see. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.